Hi guys, it's time for Take a Look Tuesday, something I've not done for a while. Let me invite you into my studio and my creative space and just share what I'm up to. I thought about doing this because, I'll turn the camera around and show you the mess that I'm making right now, and various projects I'm in the middle of. I thought you'd be amused to see. So this is half-term week, which means that school's not happening. My husband's kindly taken our youngest away, so I have the house to myself. When this happens, I can sort of like overflow from my studio into the house, and I'm in the kitchen right now. Let me turn the camera around and show you. So it's a lovely space. I've been cutting up material, and so it's useful to do it in the kitchen because it's cleaner than my studio. But yeah, using cutting this sort of stuff. It's covering, so I've got bits of fluff absolutely everywhere and little fine bits all over. But anyway, so what I'm doing is I'm cutting up material to cover these beach balls and yoga balls for my installation for London at Easter. I'm covering them in glow-in-the-dark material, basically. So over here is some I prepared earlier. So these are 3 that I did yesterday. One is fluffy, one is, this one particularly really glows in the dark in a very exciting way. I tried last night. So yeah, I have mess and bits of material everywhere, and it's a bit of a bomb site. It's good that a dog and family aren't around. And I'll show you down the garden in my studio, because I'm not just fixing and doing things for the installation, but I'm also working on just getting back into painting as well, and exploring things in my sketchbook and getting the paints out and things. So here's my studio space, which also isn't the tidiest of spaces. Yeah, here on my desk is my concertina sketchbook, which I'm currently sort of like having some fun with, just exploring different ideas, really, trying to be brave and push myself beyond what the norm. That's where I'm at the moment. I thought you'd be interested and see what I'm working on. Anyway, I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.